Imagine a vast room, but it's silent. There are no workers shouting, just the thump of metal and the hiss of giant machinery. This is the birthplace of the radiator, the guardian of your car's engine. Behind the steel doors of this factory, cold metal is thrown into a red-hot furnace. It's forced to bend, stretch, and then clamp with pressure that could crush human bones. One tiny mistake, a loose screw, a leaky connection could mean your engine would overheat on the highway. Every bend of the pipe, every thin grill, is assembled with millimeter precision. Like a mechanical heart, the radiator is prepared for one task: to tame the engine's fury. And when the radiator is finally finished, it makes no sound, never demands, just sits quietly under the hood, silent, like the factory where it was born. But there's a shocking secret. If the radiator stops working, your car doesn't just stall, it can completely destroy the engine in a matter of minutes.